morning, Beatrice Viviers here with your St. Lucia experience. Standing here at Estuary Beach parking area. There's a deep sea angling competition happening. And the hype is high, the energy is high. The surf, the launching conditions not that good. Let's go and have a look. Got a little bit of a lip here to get over. And then they're in a gully. And the backline, it can be ugly. It's been cold and rainy this morning. So yeah, the next guy's in the lineup here. Some boats already offloading. Blinkwater is offloading. Guys discussing the surf. It's a little bit ugly. So all and any advice the skippers can gather, they will accumulate amongst and share amongst themselves. The Tella crew getting ready. Say hi for YouTube! Some ugly backlines standing up there. It's going to make for some interesting launch videos today. The gimbal gave up on me. I have to do this with the Canon. Look at that waves, massive. These guys, skippers, are nervous. They're not interested in going to the sea. They also noticed the chop that moved in and the wind that is blowing on the ocean. Let's have a look what the organizers is doing. They're saying, nope, we're going to cancel the competitions, weather conditions. And the estuary is continuing to migrate north, digging into the man-made sand dune and washing it away. Unfortunately, it's man-made, so it's sediment deposits that the estuary has to cope with. But there's a lot of water exiting and it's cutting deep channels on the way out. Mangroves has established themselves very well. As long as us humans give them a habitat to grow in, they will flourish. All they need is a healthy, functioning estuary system.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you, 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 about you, you.
All the way from Jabula Beach to the estuary mouth. People caught nothing this morning. On my way back to Jabula, but the weather has turned bad. The angling competition, this deep sea ski boat angling competition for the ladies was a blowout. And yeah, let's see what the other people caught. Let's commence on the walk back.
Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, nah. We got this, to rest assured. But when I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Some are lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you, about you, about you, you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you.
Now a shout out to Craig and Chance, two South African YouTubers that record their travels through South Africa, their little holidays away from home. They made a great video about St. Lucia. Guys must go and check it out.